So getting ready to install the top. You can see we got the cleats set in the niche here. You can also see that the right hand side is about 1.5 inches out of square, and this one's about 1/4 inch out of square, so it makes for an interesting day. Surface is installed. Like I said, it was about 1 inch out from front to back. Getting ready to drill the grommet hole. Here it is installed. Got the grommet hole right in the center towards the back. Had to put a pretty heavy caulk bead in that dip there, but once it's painted up, it'll all blend in. Got a couple minor repairs because we wanted to get it in as tight as possible, but I think it turned out pretty well. Thanks for watching.